when we open the container of the shell for filling, you have observed that there may be any shells of color variation. There may be the short body capsule or long body capsule. There may be the misprinting capsules. There may be the double cap capsules, and there may be the dented capsules. There may be the capsules which contain holes, or there may be the thick wall or thin walled shells. There may be the split of the shells, and you may have also observed damaged or rough cut empty hard gelatin capsule shells, and you have also observed the bubbles on the empty hard gelatin capsule shells. Assalamu alaikum. How many of you are familiar with the capsules manufacturing defect? Do mention in the comment box before watching this video, because all of us are familiar with the tablet compression, coating and granulation defects, but few of us are familiar with the capsules manufacturing defects. But it is a fact that whenever we open the container of hard gelatin capsules in our filling area, almost all of you have observed any of the defect in your empty hard gelatin capsule shells. What are these manufacturing defects? In this video, we will discuss all the capsules manufacturing defects, and I will also record a video for the capsules filling defects. So do subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, I am Sajad and you are watching Pharma Inform. So let's start our video. In this video, we will discuss capsules manufacturing defects. We will discuss those defects which we observe in our empty hard gelatin capsules shell. When we open the container of the shell for filling, you have observed that there may be any shells of color variation. There may be the short body capsule or long body capsule. There may be the misprinting capsules. There may be the double cap capsules, and there may be the dented capsules. There may be the capsules which contain holes, or there may be the thick wall or thin walled shells. There may be the split of the shells, and you may have also observed damaged or rough cut empty hard gelatin capsule shells, and you have also observed the bubbles on the empty hard gelatin capsule shells. So all these are the manufacturing defects. In this video, we will discuss one by one. Let's start from the color variation. Color variation is a simple defect in which the color of various empty hard gelatin capsules do not match with each other, and there is a variation of sheet and there is a variation of shade between the empty shells of the same container. So what are the reasons why this color variation occur during the manufacturing? So color variation during manufacturing of hard gelatin capsule shell occur due to the poor or bad stability of the pigment or dyes. Color variation may also occur due to the improper amount of pigment or dye used, and color variation also occur due to the improper homogenization of the dyes or colors which are used for the manufacturing of these hard gelatin capsule shells. Next one is the short body or short cap empty hard gelatin capsules. What are the reason for short body or short cap? The reason is that insufficient entry of the body or cap in the collect before the cutting process, and it is due to the wet shell. If our empty hard gelatin capsule shell body or cap is not properly entered into the collect before cutting, due to the wet shell, it will result in the short body or short cap empty hard gelatin capsules production. Next one is the long body or long cap hard gelatin capsule. What is the reason? Missing or broken knife during cutting process may result in the long body or long cap empty hard gelatin capsule shell. Next one is the color spots or dots on the empty hard gelatin capsule shells. What are the reasons why dots or spots of the color are present on the empty hard gelatin capsule shells? The reason is that small pieces of the shell wall are shredded during the trimming process, and they may get dipped into the dipping area. and it will result in the production of black spots or color spots or dots on the hard gelatin capsule shell. It may also due to the presence of foreign particles in the gelatin solution. It may also due to the improper homogenization of the gelatin solution. Next one is the double cap. Sometimes we observe that, as you can see in the image, that we have a capsule which have double cap. Why it is double cap? The reason is that loose cap due to insufficient pre-locking may pre-fit on the other empty hard gelatin capsule and it look like it has double cap. The next one is the damaged edge or rough cut. You can see in the image. What is the reason of rough cut? The reason is the use of blunt knife during cutting, mean non-sharpened knife usage during the cutting process. The next one is the bubbles. As you can see in the diagram, there is a bubble on the empty hard gelatin capsule shell. Why this bubble is produced during the manufacturing? The reason is that improper vacuum or improper duration of gelation bubbles extraction process. The next one is the damaged print. As you can see in the diagram, the print is not uniform. What is the reason of damaged print? The reason is improper ink viscosity and applying pressure of ink is improper. The next may be due to uneven ink flow. The next one is the thick wall or thin wall capsule shells. As you can see in the diagram, the capsule shell wall may be thick or thin. What is the reason? Thin wall is due to uneven gelatin distribution on the dip coated pins. And what is the reason of thick wall shells? Thick wall shells are due to the double dipping of the dipping pins and it is due to the improper viscosity of gelatin solution, or it may be due to the insufficient wetting agent presence in our formulation. The next one is a split. As you can see in the diagram, and the split is due to the uneven drying process or it is due to the insufficient presence of plasticizer in our formulation. Next one is the holes or scratches. As you can see in the image, there is a hole in the hard empty gelatin capsule shell. What are the reasons of this hole? This is due to the improper machine adjustment where striper jaws touch shell during the removal of the dried strip. So all these are the capsules manufacturing defects which are commonly observed during the production of empty hard gelatin capsule shells. I will also record a video on the capsule shells defect during the filling process. So do subscribe my channel and share it to others, and also visit my website farminform.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.